Hello guys, in this video I will explain you the concept of metaverse and the future application of metaverse. Metaverse. With metaverse, there will be an advanced use of blockchain. One can work virtually and have a virtual learning space. One can also have virtual businesses. One can also have e-commerce, e-conferences, and expansion of social media platform. With the use of metaverse, it will address the issue of remote work challenges. It will also be a great tool for healthcare. There will also be an increase in online classes, and also it will increase monetization. What then is metaverse? It is a virtual reality space in which user can interact with a computer generated environment and with other users. In simple terms, it is the replica of our real or physical world, but the only difference is that it is digital and computerized. Thank you.